this tutorial, we are gonna learn how to color this character in Photoshop. I have a sketch here, but because of lasso tool, I have to redraw this again. First of all, I have to color the basic shape with the base color, which is yellow. For this, I am selecting each and every part individually by lasso tool, and then I am pressing the foreground color, which is Alt plus backspace to fill the selected area. Remember one thing, we have to create all the parts in individual layers. So every time we have to create new layer for each parts to avoid any kind of editing issue. For the extreme round or square or any particular shape, we can always choose other selection tools also, like marquee tools, elliptical marker tools, rectangular marker tools, this kind of. For the eyes, first make the white part of the eye, then select the eyeball with elliptical marquee tool. After coloring it, use soft brush for a lighter color shading at the bottom of the circle. We will make a clipping mask of this part just to make sure our eyeball will not get outside from the white part. Okay, now just add reflection with pure white and we are good to go. Now it's time to apply shades. For this, first important thing is to apply the transparent lock on the layer that we are working. This will help us to hold the color in our section or in our area, not the outside of it, okay? So now just choose 2 shade darker color of your base color and start to apply the color at the edges of each parts. This will give a nice 3D look on our subject. As I am using yellow as the base color, so here I am picking dark orangish yellow color for the shades. Alright guys, this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have learned something. If you do so, please do like my videos, and if you are new and you want to learn art, please do subscribe my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Till then,